for Eastern Shore sellers. Showings were up this past week, 17.5% over the prior week, and prices are up 43.4% from last year. It's Friday, May 10th, 2024. Happy Mother's Day weekend to moms everywhere. Lots to see and do this weekend. Celebrate with mom at an elegant afternoon tea at the Brampton Inn in Chestertown. Catch the historic sites tour in Ocean City. Rock the block or run the Cambridge Crab Run, both in Cambridge. Check out more events on our events calendar at www.kineticrealtyinc.com. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty. This is the Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Inventory is up 15.2% from last year this time. There are 1,536 homes listed for sale, up from last week. Another 116 are due on the market soon, lower numbers than last week, but still will add to the increasing inventory on the shore. 170 homes went under contract, rising to 16 days before contract this report. Only 92 homes settled at 97.2% list to sold ratio. That's fewer sold homes than the prior week. Most counties are seeing higher home prices, but Dorchester County's median home price rose steeply year over year from $199,990 to $352,945. Only 3 counties out of 9 saw a decreasing median home price: Talbot, Somerset, and Worcester. Homes for rent rose by 1 to 80 this week, pulling rental rates up to $21.30 median per month. And that's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, May 10th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, stay safe, and I'll see you next week. Take care.